Harold today presenting topics about how to make work-life balance work. So one of the most important natural March message in this video is that simply is powerful. Work-life balance does not happen naturally. Firstly, if we balance work meaningfully with life, it creates ourselves. One of the most important thing in this talk is that many people spend too much time, too much of their lives working without actually paying attention on what their problem actually is. Work is important, of course, everybody actually agree, and we need to work to survive, to earn money, to build our houses, to create relationships. Also, students also have their own version of work. For example, doing homework and studying in school as much as possible to be a better person in life. Also, to help the governments study, prepare for exam, and meeting expectations. Also, so the problem is not what work is study or life is bad or study is hard. The bad problem here is this too much. People working too hard every single day. Lots of countries working a lot hard. Students, for example, in China, study super hard just for exams because they are believing that only they're studying can actually help their family, because Chinese students working a lot for many hours just all day because just one for exam they finished, and also they kind of very hard expectations, and they nearly don't have time for their own family and start taking over their life, their own life, parts of their lives. When work becomes the center of everything, people begin to losing time with things that are actually meaningful. People get divorces because a lot of couple get divorced because one person working too hard and did not paying attention from the other. Working, it's meaningful. People start working long parts of the hour because they think that working is the main thing of their life, making money, obviously creating more buying houses, more luxury things, because they think that working is the best thing for their lives. Without it, actually they stop spending time with their family, they talk less to friends, they stop resting properly, they sleep less. Means that they taking over the life with just work. They think money is the only thing that parts of their lives, and they stop enjoying hobby. They become focused on productivity. They slowly forgetting what most vulnerability and what's more important for them in their own lives. Secondly, for things that we're not sure we have this, we should not expect companies to workplace to fix a problem for us. Firstly, governments and corporations company is not going to deal or fix a problem for us. It's your problem to fix this yourself. Firstly, the governments don't have responsibility, and you have too much work life, and so the government should tell companies to stop working too hard and so making us too hard. That's not the problem. You have to make it balance yourself, because not every company is force you to work 24 hours. You can quit if you want, you can stop if you want, you can go back if you want, because those are your own choices. Companies don't care about that. There are a ton of works that don't work for 24/7, and that's perfectly fine. And so then that's not the government's fault. That's not the company's fault. It's your fault in making your life didn't balances. So what it means by businesses and organizations are usually designed to focus on things like profit, productivity, and performances. It means that not companies forcing you to do anything. It not companies are forcing to work to help the governments. Their goal is usually not to focusing too much on this work. It's more like to focusing on what's actually happening right now. The thing here is that you need to focusing on what's most balancing in your own life. Thing that you need to balance is that, for example, even small parts, and you need to focusing on small moments. For example, Nigel will tell us a story that his wife tell him to pick up his own son Harry from school, and also he waited in the school gates, pick him up to go to the hill and play some silly games, mess in the swings. Also, then he gave him for example, he gave Harry go to a cafe or having pizza for two, and then going home, getting bathroom, just put in the pajamas. Also, then Harry think that the best time, because small moments actually matter to him. Nigel didn't do anything. He thought that even taking care of children is one of the most easiest things, and he think that that's it enough. For example, he think that workforce, he working for long hours. Then his wife told him to pick up his youngest son Harry from school, and also to spend every time he putting always stop working and go home to pick his children up. And so those are the most meaningful moments he have. He think that, well, he haven't do anything in a whole day, just making fun or just going back and just like put him to sleep. And those are just tiny moments actually matter most in our life. Even small moments like that can matter a lot in your family. Just like, for example, 2 hours spending for your time is one of the most meaningful moments in his whole life. He think that he haven't do anything because he meant that even like his work dominated by those working forces, he obviously thinking that, well, only workers are the most importantly, and small moments like that, just tiny, but also really matter. To include natural martial art teachers' work lives is not just a luxury. It's not like luxury, like spending a lot of money or just working for us. It's not something we should posting. It's something deeply important to our life. It's not just small moments that matter, only matter. It means that we want to balance. We must stop waiting for perfect time and start creating ourselves. Those are why actually natural martial teachers how to become like work balancing, like work life and balancing without like stressing out everything. Those are what end of my presentation. Thank you for your listening and goodbye.